Do you want strawberry or chocolate milk? You want chocolate? Yeah. Okay, here you go. Here's your milk. Here you go, sweetheart. Aren't you going to drink your milk? Yeah. Are you hungry? Do you want some cookies or do you want toast? Do you want cookies or toast, honey? Cookies? How many cookies would you like?
1, 2.
How many? How many cookies do you want, honey? You want 3 cookies?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you going to drink your milk? Here, do you want Mommy to hold it?
Yeah.
Here. Are you thirsty?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're thirsty? Okay, here you go. Drink your milk. Here you go. Sweetie, do you want to get up and play with your toys? You want to get up and play with your toys? Yeah? Okay, come on. Let's play. What do you want to play with? You want to play with Meg?
Yeah.